Sige, electric field tayo. So, electric field, so this is a region of space where a charged object exerts a force due to its charge. So, mapapansin niyo po dito, pag sinabi natin electric field, ito po yung region kung saan nakaka-experience po tayo ng charge or ng electricity. Okay po. So, the SI unit of the electric field is Newton per coulomb, which is equal to volts per meter. So, tatandaan natin, ang kanyang unit is newtons per coulomb, meaning this is force all over by the charge. The electric field is radially outward from a positive charge and radially inward toward a negative charge. Bakit po kaya? So, mamaya mag-discuss naman po natin yan. So, the region around the electric charge in which the stress or electric force act is called an electric field or the electrostatic field. So, if the magnitude of charge is less, then it may create a huge stress around the region. The electric field is represented by the symbol. Mapapansin niyo po dito, meron tayong electric field lines. Ano po? Ito po yung mga electric field lines natin. Mapapansin po ninyo. And then, ang tatandaan lang natin, paglapit po natin sa field or paglapit po ng ating mga electric field line sa isa't isa, mas tumataas po ang kanyang electricity or electric charge or yung kanyang electric field mismo. Sabihin natin, dito sa part na to, mataas yung electric field po niya compare dito po sa part na ito. Okay? So we have the uniform electric field. So when the electric field is constant at every point, then the field is called the uniform electric field. So sabihin natin kapag meron tayong electric field and then mapapansin niyo po dito sa ating diagram, ano po, parallel po siya. Ano, meron po tayong mga parallel lines. So, ibig sabihin na po niya, constant lang po ang ating electric field. So, the constant field is obtained by placing two conductors parallel to each other, and the potential difference between them remains the same at every point. Next, we have the non-uniform. So, mapapansin niyo po dito sa diagram natin, it has irregularity in its line. So, the field which is irregular at every point is called the non-uniform electric field. The non-uniform field has a different magnitude and directions. So we have the properties. Unang-una, the field lines never intersect. Okay? Next, they are perpendicular to the surface charge. Then the field is strong when the lines are close to each other, and it is weak when the lines move apart from each other. Okay? And then the number of lines is directly proportional to the magnitude of the charge. Mas madaming lines, sabihin, mas mataas po ang kanyang electric field. So the electric field line starts from the positive charge and ends from the negative charge. If the charge is single, then they start or end at infinity. The line curves are continuous in a charge-free region. So, when the electric field and magnetic field combines, they form the electromagnetic field. Ano po yung sinasabi lang po diyan? So, sabihin natin, Sabihin natin ang ating charge is positive. Wait lang ha, ayaw niya sumulat. Okay? Sabihin natin, meron po tayong electric field and then meron tayong source. Ano po? May source po tayo ng electric field. Sabihin natin is itong positive. Gusto kong malaman po yung electric field niya at a specific point. Sabihin ko dito sa point na ito. Okay? So, gagawin ko po dyan, mag-create lang po ako ng point charge. Sabihin ko, ang point charge ko is positive. Okay? Ibig sabihin, ang electric field ko dahil siya ay positive to positive, ang aking electric field is palayo. Kaya siya ay outward. Pero paano naman kung negative? Ano po? Sabihin natin negative po. Then positive. Ibig sabihin, ang aking electric field is inward. Same lang po ang same ang direction ng ating um, force and electric field kapag ang point charge natin is positive. Ano ba sabi natin point charge? Ano po, ang point charge, meron po tayong isang point, sa isang electric field na binigyan po natin ng specific charge. Okay? Kaya ang kalimitan ginagamit na point charge is positive. So we have the formula for calculating electric field from different point charge. So first we have the point charge. So this is the electric field of the electric field of a point charge can be obtained from the Coulomb's law. Diba po, ang E is equals to force all over by Q. And then, ang force po natin is, maalala po ninyo, K, Q, Q1, Q2 all over by R squared. So, and then, all over by Q. Cancel lang natin, magiging KQ all over by R squared. Ay mapapansin po ninyo dito, natatandaan nyo po, kapag meron tayong point charge, lagi po siyang palabas ang ating electric field. Kapag naman negative, laging paloob. Sabihin ko, ano po mas mataas na electric field? At this point or at this point? Mas mataas po yung electric field niya at this point. Bakit? Mas malapit po yung lines po nila sa isa't isa. Okay? Ganun po siya. Next. So let's try solving this one. 2. What is the magnitude of the point charge whose the electric field at a distance of 25 centimeters is 3.4 Newton per Coulomb? So what is the magnitude daw? So we have to find Q. Bakit? Ano yung nahanap? Si point charge natin. So, E is equals to F all over by Q. And then, so pwedeng Q ay maliit, pwedeng Q ay malaki. Depende sa inyo. Ano po? Kasi sa iba naman po mga resources, ganun din naman po. May ibang Q na maliit, and meron din naman Q ang malaki. So, ang E natin is 3.4 Newton per Coulomb force. And then, ang F natin, ang Q natin is, ito yung hinahanap. So, hindi natin pwede gamitin itong formula na ito. Kasi, kailangan natin i-take consideration si distance. So, E is equals to KQ all over by R squared. And then, kailangan natin makuha si Q. Tapos multiply ER squared all over by K. Then, bababa lang si K. Ang E natin is 3.4 Newton per Coulomb. And then, 25 centimeter. Siya naka-centimeter, so we must convert this to meters. So 25 times 10 is a negative. Next, what is our K? What is our K, class? Our K is 9 times 10. 9 times 10 raised to 9 Newton. Newton meter squared, Coulomb squared. Kaya tataas si Coulomb squared, makakancel. Ano po? May iwan ay si Q. So what is our answer? Nakikitype po sa chat box. Anyone? Okay. May nakapagsakat na 9.424 times 10 raised to negative 11. How about the others? 2.36. Okay. So, 2.36. 11 times 10 raised to negative 11 Coulomb. Next, a small charge Q is equals to 6 um, microcoulomb, a millicoulomb is found in a uniform E field, E which is equals to 2.9 Newton per coulomb. Determine the force on the charge. So, hinahanap natin is yung force. Sige nga class, kindly answer this one, madali lang to. And then kindly write your pakipicturan and then pakisend sa GC po natin. Sa ating GCs. I'll give you 10 minutes to answer this one. So, tatandaan, paki-send po ng inyong solution. So, take a photo and then send it in our GCs. Okay, thank you everyone. So correct naman po, 0.0174 newtons. Okay, so be mindful po sa ating uh, unit. So this is M. So micro is times 10 raised to negative 6. Okay, so kapag M times 10 raised to negative 3. So next, a dipole is set up with a charge of 2 times 10 raised to negative 7 coulomb for each charge. One is positive and one is negative. The distance between the charges is 0.15 meters. So what is the magnitude and the direction of the electric field at the midpoint of the dipole? So assume the positive charge is on the left. Also determine the force magnitude and direction of electron at that position. So let's answer this one. Sabi, what is the electric field at the midpoint daw po? Okay, ano po ang nangyari dito? Ang nangyari dito, sabihin natin meron dipole tayo, isa ay positive, isa ay negative. And then, ang distance between these two is 0.15. 0.15 meters. Ano daw yung electric field at this point sa gitna? Okay? Meaning, yung pagitan nitong dalawa, dahil midpoint, so this is 0.15 over 2, and same with this one, 0.15 meters over 2. Ibig sabihin po niyan, ano po yung electric field both from the positive and also electric field from the negative? Okay. So each charge daw is 2 times 10 raised to negative 7. So E is equals to yung electric field natin due to the positive source, and then also the electric field due to the negative source. Ang formula po natin for electric field, KQ all over by R squared. And then same with this one, KQ all over by R squared. As stated here, so 2 times 10 raised to negative 7 each. Meaning, Q natin, Q1 and also Q2. Let's say this is Q1, Q2, R1, R2. So, it is 2 times 10 raised to negative 7 coulomb. So, 9, ang K natin, 9 times 10 raised to 9 Newton meter squared per coulomb squared times Q1, which is 2 times 10 raised to negative 7 coulomb all over by R squared. So, ang R natin is 0.15 meters over 2 squared plus another one. So, pwede po ba nating alisin na lang si positive and negative? Yes po. Kasi po, ang tinutukoy naman po natin dito is si electric field. Okay? So, sabihin natin, ito ay naka-absolute value. So, another for the negative, ano po, electric field from the negative source, 9 times 10 raised to 9 Newton meter squared per coulomb squared times 2 times 10 raised to negative 7 coulomb all over by 0.15 meters over 2 squared. Ano pong answer natin, class? Kindly calculate. Paki-type po sa ating chat box. So the answer is 640,000. Tama ba? 640,000. Apat na zero. Next, cancel. Cancel po si column. Ano po? And then meter square. Same with this one. Next, assume the positive charge is on the left. So, tama naman po. Ano, nasa left yung ginawa natin. And then, also determine the force and the magnitude and direction of electrons. So, meron daw tayong electron. Okay, so dito po, ayan ko lang to. So, dito sa part na ito, hindi pa na to. Sabihin natin sa part na ito, so, meron tayong electron. Okay? Paano po ang gagawin natin? Paano natin makukuha si F? So, determine the force. So, E is equals to F over Q. So, ang E natin is 640,000 Newton per coulomb. And then F natin is nahanap. And then, ang Q natin, hindi natin pwede gamitin yung si 2 times 10 raised to negative 7. Dahil may sinabi dito, yung electron natin na nandun sa gitna. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong electric field at this point, and then may electron po tayo dyan. Gaano kadami yung force na nare-receive po niya? So, ang Q natin is, what is our fundamental charge? Our fundamental charge is 1.6 times 10 raised to negative 19 coulomb. So, cancel. So, what is our F? Ano po yun? Nakikitype na lang po sa chat box. Okay, so our answer is 1.024 times 10 raised to negative 13. So class, hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating discussion. Ayan, sorry. Nakamute pala ako. Okay, next. We have the multi-point charge. So, correct naman yung answer ko nito. 1.024 times 10 raised to negative 13 Newton. And then, we have the multi-point charge. So, electric field at a point on equatorial line. And then, we have the components of the electric field. So, sabihin natin, meron tayong charge dito, and then charge din. And then, what is our electric field at this point and also at this point or at this point and this point. And then, ito namang isa is yung components po natin ng electric field. So, katulad lang din po ng kay force, meron din po tayong components depende po sa position ng ating charge and also of our point charge. Okay? So, class, hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating discussion. So Friday ulit. But I will be giving you an assignment or an activity. Kasi I believe wala pa rin nagagawang activity dito. Medyo madami-dami na rin ang ating na-solve. Kailan ang pasok niyo, class? Kailan ang pasok niyo ng face-to-face? Tomorrow ba? May face-to-face class kayo? Anyone? Hello? Anyone? Kailan po ang inyong face-to-face class? Karamihan. How about the others? Kailan nyo pwede ipasa sa akin? Ano ang magiging activity natin? Gusto ko na kasi ng hard copy. Well, anyways, kung hindi talaga kaya, sige, ganito na lang. Sa Google Classroom na lang tayo. And then, isubmit po iyon sa akin tomorrow. Okay, naintindihan ba, class? Medyo mahaba-haba yung time. Kasi sa ibang section is within the hour lang talaga. Dito, baka, syempre, walang internet connection or what. Pero hanggang tomorrow at that time. Is it alright, class? Okay, sige. So, hanggang dito na lang muna tayo. And then, by Friday, discuss tayo ng voltage. So, thank you everyone. May questions pa?